Hi there. Welcome to another After School Tech Tip. My name's Bernice, and today we're going to be discussing a resource that you can use with your grade 4 to 8 students to develop an understanding of AI, algorithms, and cultivating online search skills. And if you're interested in more like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, check back for weekly videos, and connect with your TIPS member for more information. Our website is down there below, tips.epsb.ca. All right, so we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. This is Control F from Civics. You can access this by going to control-f.ca, and that's going to give you a ton of resources and workshops on Control F from Civics, and you'll see that this page is all about digital media literacy. And digital media literacy, as you can see here, equips students with the habits and skills that they need to find and evaluate online information and determine what to trust. So the one that we're going to be focusing on today, as there's a lot of different ones here on this site, is online search skills. I'm going to go ahead and click on this. And the thing is with students being online constantly and AI now being a part of our search results, it's more important than ever for students to really learn about the skills of effective online searching, but also an understanding of AI and algorithms. This resource here has all of these different pieces that you can see here from the lessons, and it's specifically designed to build AI literacy alongside essential search skills for grades 4 to 8, building that foundation for later on other, sessions that you might look at like verification skills or AI literacy, which you're going to see in videos in the upcoming weeks for the after school tech tips. Now, the really great part about these is that you can really see what this is through the student activity workbook. So you can access this via a Google Doc or a PDF. But really, I have a Google Doc here open up so you can see what it looks like. But this is the online search skills. And what you'll see here is there's tons of activities for students to go ahead and try out. So really, this is a ready-to-use student workbook and lesson plan. And students can use this. You can also customize this without this being a Google Doc. And really what it's doing is it's really teaching students about online search learning, helping them understand the impact of AI on their search results. And you can see as I scroll through this that essentially you're going to see that you're going to get them to learn how to narrow their search. They are going to explain, kind of explore their keywords. They might learn to refine their search, as well as learning things about like bias and how bias search terms can also impact things as well, which is a crucial aspect, especially in AI filtered results. Now, this resource also helps with understanding AI algorithms. So you can see right here that right here for lesson 4, there's all of these different pieces. Again, I'll open up each of these lessons so you can see how they're already all unpacked right for you. There's of course, the work booklet, but there's also a lesson plan, a slide deck, and videos, as well as the activities to all build on top of each other. And of course, you can choose which ones you would like to do, if you want to do it all at once, or you can do it in small bits. Now, lesson 4, you can see, has that piece about algorithms, and that's really understanding those AI algorithms and how that works. Here's an example of the slide deck, and you can see on this slide right here, it explicitly explains kind of what an algorithm is, and even goes through pieces on, what's the purpose of the algorithm and how it ultimately works. So as you can see here, there's lots that comes in with this Control F online search skills. And if you're looking for a resource that's ready to use with your grade 4 to 8 students, this is a really, really great one to start. And get them practicing. Get them practicing how to search for a project that's upcoming. And then in addition to that, learning about algorithms, understanding how to better have more effective search results, and just really, really build those basic research skills. And so as you can see, there's lots here. As well, there's some pieces as well in workshop. And so if you're looking to do Control F digital media literacy workshops too, there are also workshops for online search skills grades 4 to 8 as well. And then that would be via a workshop. And so students could then see that as well. And so you can stay tuned there if you're looking for anything like that. So I hope that helps. With that being said, don't forget to, again, subscribe to our channel, check back for weekly videos, and connect with your TIPS member for more information. All right, I hope that helps. Take care.